Okay, here again. Pangalawang tour namin. Pangalawang tour namin sa Chiang Mai. Now this time, pupunta tayo sa Doi Intanon. Magti-trekking tayo doon at imimit natin ang mga local villagers. Titigman ng masarap na coffee. Again, and yung waterfalls, rice terraces.
Babush! Maganda ba sa hairstyle?
Oh, lahat. Titikman natin lahat.
Hindi.
So, what's the name of this flower again? So again, ito yung unang stopover natin dito sa day tour natin for Doi Intanon, Wichi Rattan Waterfall. Grabe. So pagka bumisita kayo ng Chiang Mai, huwag nyo kakalimutan pumunta rito sa Doi Intanon, one day tour at sa magiging stopover ninyo. Itong unang waterfall. Ito daw ang pinakamalaki dito. Anong tawag dito?
It's Wacharatan Waterfall.
Yes.
From here, everywhere here. You want picture, take coffee. You want photo, take camera, and take time. So you can work
So ready for trekking now. So ito 2 hours ang trekking natin. That's baggy.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Laos, Thailand, a lot opium before, about 40 years ago. But right now, people grow opium like this, cut tree mountain like this, just for flow.
So before daw itong mountain na to is previously used for opium production. But itinigil ito ng Majesty Kim Bhumibol at pinalitan planting ng coffee beans.
Now, right now, no opium in Thailand. This part called Arabica.
Arabica. Oh, nice.
We can make coffee in November, December. No? Big red color. Now, this coffee called Arabica coffee can grow 1,000 meters from the sea level up. Here 1,300. Good for make coffee Arabica.
Start pa lang, pagod na si Ruth.
Yan to food ko. Masakit. Mine is... It's aching like this.
With no cut. If with the food people cut like this, no. Not only this tree, this area. No cut tree for protect. Okay, for protect the tree.
Kailangan nyo magdala ng mosquito repellent at ingat kayo sa mga langgam ang lalaki. trekking for 10 minutes now. At I think may naririnig akong waterfalls doon. Ay yun ang unang stopover namin. Sabi kasi tatlong waterfalls ang madadaanan natin dito.
This one called gibbon. Gibbon. No monkey, no gibbon. The like this. This is the male, the male. White face, white hair, black color. The size same like this. Okay, female, black face, not male, white face, different. They are different monkey. They doesn't have tail, no tail. Bamboo live only 5 years and die, not 5 years and die. This one about 1 year. 1 year, this is 3 years. 5 years already died. 5 years. And next month, the rainy season, the new one come out from bamboo shoots. So that's why we can eat. We cut these and have insect inside, the worm, not insect for it. Insect inside the bamboo.
Nice.
This for metal house, very strong.
Good proteins. So ito yung first stop namin, waterfall, yung wild waterfall. So far so good. Meron na kaming 20 minutes walk trail. At maganda naman yung weather dito, malamig. So okay lang maglakad. And napakaganda ng mga scenery. Pababa na tayo ng mountain. Napakatarik ito guys. So ingat-ingat din. Yan yung irrigation nila papuntang rice field. So yan, tutulay papunta doon. So kanina galing tayo dun sa kabila. So dito na tayo ngayon. So, paikot ito actually. Aakyat ka. Etong trail na to, aakyat ka. And then after that, bababa ka ulit. It takes 2 hours ang trail na to. So yan. 1 hour na tayo naglalakad. At napapansin ko, paakyat na ulit tayo. So marami tayo nadadaan ng coffee plants dito. Arabica. So eto ang coffee plantation. So halos lang nadadaanan natin dito lahat is tanim ng coffee. Yeah, better. It's good to rest.
Fine. Maybe I make a different only already. From my love.
Hello.
Drink coffee and tea.
So, stop over tayo, I think, for lunchtime. So, after 1.5 hours trekking.
Coffee time.
In flower, have the leaf for flower, the yellow one. Because it will sweet. The red one make like cascara tea. Good for memory. Yeah, good for joy, good for bone, for memory. The coffee, this one, Arabica coffee meat. Okay, I take one by one. Stop.
Maganda ba sa hairstyle?
Oh, lahat. Titikpan natin lahat.
Hindi.
So, what's the name of this flower again?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. And good for the eyes and the skin.
This is good for you.
I like this one.
Yo es que lo tomo solo, entonces me da.
Yeah, yo tomo solo.
Estoy loca, en plan.
Claro, entonces a mí me da igual.
Claro, yo les digo leche vegetal. Y te miran como, leche vegetal,
No es fuerte. Claro, no es que tiene sabores amargos, tiene notas de
The
chocolate.
yellow one and the red one sweet.
Puta locura.
By stevia.
Yo voy a llevar café aquí.
Es que soy súper de infusiones. Que la...
With milk.
Butterfly tea, and it's good for eyesight, good for hair and skin. So I need this. This is good for me.
1 hour later.
Now it's raining. We're about to go to Pagoda. Kaya lang umulan ngayon.
Himalaya mountain, the top one in the world, Everest of the world, top one in Thailand. The Chiang Mai on the mountain and temple, temple. This is the most beautiful temple in Chiang Mai called Doi Supen Temple, 30 minutes from the city. It's like Ping River, the big river in Chiang Mai called Ping River. Many rivers go to there.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. It's raining.
Raining here. So unfortunate.
And it's too cold. Very, very cold.
So ngayon nandito na tayo sa highest peak ng mountain. Kaso umuulan.
This called Chen. He passed away 120 years ago. In King in Tanon. He died in Tanon, not in Chen. And we put his ashes. People don't protect it. People pass away. You have to burn the body and breathe the ashes at the bone of inside.
Pagka medyo hirap ka umakyat, meron ditong escalator. At kung meron naman ikaw kasama na disabled, so meron siya ritong ano. Good morning, last day natin ngayon sa Chiang Mai. Mamayang gabi, around like 10 p.m. Punta tayo ng airport ng Chiang Mai and pupunta tayo sa Siem Reap, Cambodia.